Well, hello amazing people, it's the OG here. Yes, Louis Bikari. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, karibu sana sana. As you can see, it's going down officially. And by the way, it took me 6 good months to come up with this video, so please give it a thumbs up. Yes, like, it helps. At the same time, subscribe if you haven't. So this whole idea was born when I took a trip in December last year. Hey, so I'm like super right here, and I really love the view. They say I like the view. Wow. You know, I said when one person says, you're too demanding, honey, somebody else is going to be like, just that? Come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm so happy. My getaway from the city is just perfect. I want to look at myself in the mirror. Oh my god, it's really not showing. So good. Look at her. I don't know. I just love this place so much. If you have been watching my videos, yes, you will remember when I had this staycation in Diani for like a week or something. Yeah. So it was time to, like, you know, check out, leave this beautiful hotel behind and go back to normal life. Yeah. So my taxi driver dropped by to like pick me up and back to Mombasa. So back to Mombasa, you have to like cross from the mainland to the island, and we use the ferries for that. And crossing the ferry this day, I was very observant than normal days, you know, getting to see how the cars arrange themselves in here. It's very interesting, actually. And then I got to like get out of the car and go upstairs and show you how the ferry looks like. So this ferry, to be particular, has got a lot of seats where passengers can sit, you know, and relax as they wait to be ferried from point A to point B. That is either from Likoni to Mombasa or from Mombasa to Likoni. And this other side, yeah, you can see we have several ferries that actually used to do that at that particular time. And during that time, the Likoni floating bridge was still under construction. It was not complete yet, so the ferries were operating fully. Yeah. So leaving the ferry, then I got to observe something else: the number of people that get into a ferry at a go, because some ferries carry like cars and people at the same time, and others only ferry just people, and others just ferry, let's say, the oil tankers alone. So the oil tankers are not ferried together with other cars or people. So I was like, this is a lot of people in one ferry. Do we even have a capacity that the kgs or tons that a ferry should carry? Because, okay, I still don't know that, because people just get in, people just, you know, load, and cars at the same time. I was like, okay, we totally need something else, you know. Well, yes, sir. Beautiful streets of Mombasa, I decided, like, okay, I'm so fond of crossing the ferry either in a taxi or in a car with friends, and I was like, okay, it's about time I go crossing that ferry alone. Yeah, so that I can get the experience firsthand. You know, like a lot of people say it's tedious crossing on foot, and I was like, okay, I gotta find that out. Are you ready? Because I'm taking you on this wild ride. Come with me. In 2021, here I am on foot crossing the ferry. Yeah, you can see an idea that I was thinking about like last year. Now I'm putting it into action. Yeah, so as you can observe with me here, I have a lot of women carrying their luggages on their heads, and you can even see now we have a parent here carrying his child. And also we have a lot of cars, like that's a trailer that is ready to cross from Mombasa to Likoni part, that is from the island to the mainland. Yeah, so these women, I kind of felt them because this luggage that they are carrying is not light. As you can see, it's heavy. Probably they have procured food from the main market, that is either Kongowea market, and they cross with the foods here to go sell on the other side in the mainland. I'm like, oh my god, this is hectic, because at this point, as I'm filming this, the Likoni floating bridge is fully complete and operational, but these people actually choose to like use the ferry instead of the bridge, and the reason we're going to find out in a few minutes. Since we have several ferries, this ferry that we are on is MV Nyayo. So we have several ferries, like the one I showed you earlier was MV Jambo. So we have MV Jambo, MV Nyayo, MV Kilindini, MV Likoni, MV Kwale. So like we have, they have been named according to like the towns around the coastal region. And these red kind of boxes you're seeing here are the floaters, just in case of an accident. The passengers are well catered for, so that minimizes drowning cases and so on. So this ferry has just left the Mombasa part, you can see over there. And to the other side, you can actually see the Liwatoni footbridge. Yeah, that is the floating bridge in Likoni. But at the moment, yes, I'm just taking the ferry and it's a little bit windy. But I want you guys to like compare all the three ways in which you can cross from Mombasa to the other side of the mainland. Yeah. That is the MV Jambo that is getting into Mombasa. And this is interesting actually, because a lot of people when they get to Mombasa, the one thing that they want to be shown is the ferry. Yeah, and I remember even me when I came here the first time, I was like, I want to go cross the ferry, and it's okay. They are all here, yes, so I can show you. I hope you are enjoying this. Kindly like the video. Yes, like the video, leave me a comment. What do you think so far? right at this end, we are arriving at Likoni. Yeah, so this ferry actually harbors at this part, yeah, and connects so that the motorists and the cars can get out comfortably. Yeah, so one thing, this ferry was actually carrying cars and people at the same time. And when this happens, the motorists and the cars are allowed to like get off the ferry first. Then the people, because you can see the part where the cars are moving towards is a little bit steep, and sometimes some cars some vehicles, the brakes fail and they start squeaking backwards, and if that happens and people are behind, people can be injured. So we wait for the vehicles to like get off first, and then you can see people getting off. Yeah, so after people get off the ferry, so on the other side you can see other vehicles standing by. At the same time, we have people also standing by in these sheds. So when people get off this ferry, it is ready almost immediately for other cars to like get in, as well as people. Yeah. Yes, and thirdly, I am officially taking you to the Liwatoni footbridge. Yes, famously known as the Likoni floating bridge. And this right here is the stage where the people alighting from the bridge get their matatus to take them to wherever they want to go. And you can see it is very early in the morning actually, and all these people are crossing from the other side, that is the mainland, through the bridge to Mombasa Island. You guys, fingers crossed. I have never used this floating bridge before. It's my first time. I'm actually following directions, and the people, in Swahili we normally say fuata nyuki ule asali. Yeah, follow the bees, you'll get the honey. Yeah. So definitely I can never get lost if I'm going to the bridge and all these people are coming from the bridge, right? Anyway, the operational hours of the floating bridge are from 6 a.m. in the morning to 9:30 a.m. Yeah, so right about now it's around 7 a.m., like 7:20 a.m. I was going somewhere, so I'm crossing from Mombasa Island, because right now I'm in Mombasa Island. Yes, I want to cross the bridge to like the other side of Likoni, because I'm going to the other sides of Kwale Diani. Yeah. Okay, so from 6 a.m. in the morning to 9:30 a.m. there are a lot of people that cross from Likoni towards Mombasa Island. So, and following the COVID-19 guidelines, that's a lot of people to be congested in one ferry, and there'll be a high risk of transmitting COVID if there's one person infected. So the footbridge was actually launched to help reduce the congestion. So it operates when there's a lot of traffic of people when there's a lot of people crossing, because that is the time people come to work, and because it operates in the morning and in the evening. So in the evening, the bridge also starts operating as from 4:30 p.m. To 7 p.m. Yes. these people are from Likoni part and they're coming to work. So the fact that it is called a floating footbridge, there are no cars that use that bridge. It's just the motorists and the cyclists and the pedestrians. Well, you guys, just follow me. Yeah, I don't want to feed you a lot of rumors because I'm also using this bridge for the first time. Okay, yeah, so come with me, let's find this out together. All right, so I had to take off my heels because it's been a hell of a distance. I have a bag on my back. It's not easy. And by the way, if you forget your breakfast, there are these mamas here who are selling some fries. You know, Mombasa women with viazi karai, viazi vitamu, viazi nyekundu, viazi nyeupe. Oh my God, here we go. Likoni floating bridge. Yeah, so all these people are crossing from Likoni side to Mombasa Island. And by the way, at this moment, we are still in Mombasa Island. But we are crossing over, guys. Come on. Ooh, you guys, I am already tired. I'm tired. Believe me, there is a reason as to why disabled people, pregnant women, are allowed to use the ferry at these hours. This place is far. You have to walk for a very long distance before you get here. anyways, on we go. I'm actually impressed because this place looks so amazing. Yeah, the structure is very classy and kind of worth it. Yeah. As we all know, there is a middle part of this bridge that normally opens up to let the ships pass by. And I hear the part that opens out is 750 meters. I'm about to see it, y'all. So on we go. Come with me because this is a lot of people, y'all. And one thing I'm impressed is that people are in masks. Wakenya, mulisikia wapi? A lot of people have been not wearing masks, to be honest. But I'm seeing, I'm very impressed actually that almost 99% of the people using this footbridge are in masks and wearing flat shoes. This metal here, the railing, is so high because personally my head is not even over the railing all the way. Are you seeing that? So I think this footbridge is also safer because no suicidal cases will have to climb up here to jump into the ocean. Yeah, so that has been catered for. I love that part about it. So if you look at the floor of this part of the bridge, is kind of made of heavy metal sheets. So this is part of the 750 meters of the bridge that actually opens to like allow the ships to pass through. So that tells you beneath these waters is deep as hell. Yeah. So on we go. Actually, I just want to like get to the part where the bridge opens out. Yeah, because it's right ahead, and believe me, I have been walking for some time. Like some places I've just had to like, you know, stop the camera and walk for a bit and keep filming. So it's quite a distance. And by the way, if you see someone in heels, how about you leave me a comment? This place is far. This place is far, believe me. Here, if you have heels, you won't make it. Just have some flat shoes. This is actually the part that disconnects when the ships are crossing, and when they have crossed, then it is connected back. Are you seeing this? Damn guys, this is me like halfway crossing the footbridge. Like what the hell? I'm just trying to stay chill and everything, but hey, this place is far. The distance from the island to the Likoni part is very far. To be honest, it is far. And immediately the women carrying the luggages on their heads come into my mind. Like this place is far. They can't make it at all. If you are observant, this is the bag I have been carrying all the way. And I have my heels in that red bag that I'm carrying there. Oh my God. Like this is crazy. So me walking, I was like going opposite of what everybody was doing, because in this hours everybody is going to Mombasa Island, but I was from Mombasa Island to the Likoni part. Yes, so that is the bridge I'm leaving behind, and right ahead I'm like gonna be stepping out for a bit. So this is hectic, but I hope you like can compare crossing the ferry by a car on foot and using this footbridge. Yeah, let me know which means do you prefer. Hey, okay guys, so as much as this journey was super long, okay, I made it. I crossed the bridge, and to be honest, it's quite a distance, but it's actually cool. I like it, and it reduces congestion by with the ferries, because I remember sometimes back a ferry capsized and a lot of people were injured, others died. So yeah, the initiative is a good one for me, at least. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment. What do you think?